Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit, delete, or disable a recipe. On your left, you can click on the recipe module, which will take you to the list page. If you want to edit any particular recipe, you can click on the first edit icon over here. Once you're in this page, you can change any field starting from the name to the outlets where this particular recipe is available in, to the recipe quantity, and you can update the ingredients or the SKUs as well. Now here is an example. I'm going to make a change, and in the tomato quantity, I'm just going to edit it and make it as 200 instead of 150 gram. Once you are done making the changes, you can just click on save. And if you click on the quick view in tomato chutney, you can see that instead of 150 gram, the changes are reflecting here as 200 gram, and also the cost price will get updated accordingly. Now, if you want to disable some recipe which you are not using in your kitchen anymore, you can simply click on the fourth icon and click on this disable option. Now on top, you can see that one recipe is disabled. You can click on this, which will take you to the list of all the items which are disabled currently. Suppose if you want to again enable this particular recipe, again you can click on this fourth icon and enable it. Here you don't see the recipe anymore because it has gone to the active and enable section of the recipe. Now, if you want to delete a recipe which you are not going to use it anymore, you can simply click on this fifth icon and delete the recipe. Remember, when you delete a recipe, you won't be able to retrieve it back in the system. However, if you disable a recipe, you can always go ahead and enable it in future. Hope you find this video helpful.